CEMEX Hackathon is the first experience of CEMEX organizing a hackathon. And what we are trying to do is to generate ideas on a specific topic regarding the mobilization of employees in CEMEX transformation and digital innovation.
People from multidisciplines come together to solve a particular problem in an unusual collaborative way. There's a technical question put to the group that we ask them to answer, in this case, to help us configure a particular tool to enable us to innovate in the group.
We got 66 employees from all countries over Europe, and we also wanted to invite students from different universities in UK. So we have a mix of profiles and experiences and roles as part of the hackathon. We believe that the hackathon is a powerful instrument and mechanism to bring innovation at CEMEX, to be able to face some challenges and to get great ideas.
We're in 2 full days. The first day we have a basic introduction by people from CEMEX to explain the problem and the situation. And then we have an introduction to innovation, and then we tackle a design thinking methodology. First of all, they would understand the problem themselves. They would then think of empathize by going out into the field or talking with employees and doing interviews. Then they would do some brainstorming and then prototyping, and then there's going to be a pitch event where they will vote and give each other feedback. And then as of day 2, they will have a chance to refine the prototypes. They will do more work on the prototypes and brainstorming again. And then there will be a final pitch which will be judged by a jury, and then the winning team will take home the prize. The winner would take home £3,000 plus the chance of being incubated, in other words, having CEMEX officially support the project and take it to the next step.
The CEMEX Hackathon, for me, is an opportunity for the business to get really valuable information from a large group of employees and a group of interested external students to really try to redefine what exactly we mean by an innovation culture within CEMEX.
Having some kind of end-of-year recognition, award, celebration, that came out as being a common thread amongst all of the participants. Likewise, having some kind of hub or space to gravitate to allow in-country activities.
It's very hectic, you learn a lot, there's a lot going on, your brain is stimulated the whole time, you're very motivated to come up with solutions. So I would definitely recommend it to anyone, students but also people in industry.
Well, today's hackathon is, I think, a good exemplar of how organisations can come together, they can share thoughts, and more importantly, they can stay fresh and active, create cutting-edge ideas that will hopefully mobilise the organisation into a new future.